Reports are available under Monitor, Reports, and the firewall generates 40 predefined reports each night, and they are divided into 5 categories: application reports, traffic reports, threat reports, URL filtering reports, and PDF summary reports. Each category contains different types of reports, and you can decide for yourself which reports are most useful based on the type of information you need to secure your network. To see a report, select it first and then select a day from the calendar at the bottom. If you select a day and there's no information here in the middle section, it means there's no data for that day for that kind of report. For example, if I select 18th, there are no threads listed, but if I select 17th, we've got quite a few. You should spend time looking through the existing reports to determine which ones to consult each day. I won't go through all 40 of these, but there are some that you should definitely check out. You can use this report to see what kinds of applications the firewall has identified in your network. Under the Traffic Reports section, both unknown TCP and unknown UDP sessions can give you information about hosts in your network that are generating traffic the Palo Alto networks can't identify. We have over 32,100 application signatures, and if traffic doesn't match one of those, then you definitely should investigate it. The URL filtering blocked categories report could be helpful if you are trying to educate your users about inappropriate sites. The output for each of these reports can be viewed in Panorama, or you can export the data to PDF, CSV, or XML format down here at the bottom. For example, if I want to export the threats report for 17th September to PDF format, I simply select the report and click Export to PDF. You can also run a very detailed report on user activity under Monitor, PDF Reports, User Activity Report. You create the report first by clicking Add, give it a name. From the drop-down list for type, choose User. If you've implemented user ID in your network, you can enter the username here. If you haven't implemented user ID, you can substitute an IP address for a username. The time period drop-down list lets me select how far back I want to go. I'll select the last 7 days, and if I check this box, I'll see the actual websites that this user visited within the time frame. I'll click Run now. When the process is complete, I can download the user activity report and open it. The report shows me what applications this user has used, along with how many sessions and how much traffic invites those applications generated. The report includes URL categories as well as individual URLs that this particular user visited within the past 7 days. I can also see any websites that were blocked by the firewall for this user within that time period. If I click OK, Panorama will save this user activity report, and I can open it up later, modify the username, and then run this against a different user. So these are just some examples of the reports that are available. You should take the time to familiarize yourself with the reports and then decide on which ones you should check each day.